That growling noise plays a different trick on your biology than you believe. You are scrolling on a phone late at night, yet your empty stomach screams loud for food. Everyone assumes a full battery signals energy, but an empty one just means your engine is idling. Step 1. Your gut walls are contracting like a gear shifting gears without any fuel inside the tank. This is a distraction signal where noise spikes high while actual fuel needs stay low. Step 2. The noise is just a mechanical timer checking if the engine needs oil. Step 3. Your nerves fire false alarms because they think food should be arriving soon. You can train the signal to stop by waiting until you are truly drained. Before you ate it was a lie, but now that you know the truth you control your hunger. The growl is not a demand for lunch, it is simply your body playing with you.